We didn't arrive in Antibes chasing highlights. We arrived looking for a place to stay long enough to stop moving. Let's stay. Sometimes travel teaches you quickly what not living somewhere feels like. So we adjusted and we stayed. So we found our accommodations lacking some basic necessities that we need to live there for a whole month. So we came to IKEA because where else would we go?
Because IKEA.
Because IKEA. Living somewhere isn't about comfort. It's about solving small problems until the places start working. I can't tell you how many times I cleaned out a shower drain while traveling in different accommodations. Once the routine sets in, you stop planning days. You just start having them. Every day we could hear the bells from this cathedral from our apartment. Archaeology documents Antibes' history. Some things are preserved, others are practiced. Old Town runs right up to the water here. Stone on one side, the sea on the other. Partway through the month, Lisa's sister Sheila joined us. What started as 2 travelers became 3. Not everything we saw was old. This is a much newer section of Antibes, with a lot more modern shops. In the end, Antibes didn't ask us to see more. It asked us to stay long enough to notice everything else.
Thanks for watching, and if you haven't yet, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.